Let me show you how easy this is. As you can see, I have my chopstick, my pins, and you see that I have this line here already done. I've done the first pin in the middle of my next row, and now I'm going to come this way. So I'm going to measure, just going to put my fist here, roughly measure where I want my pin to go. All right, now you want to push through all layers. That's important. It's easy to just go through the first layer and the batting there. You want to feel the hard surface underneath. Then with your chopstick, just push the fabric down, slide the pin up, keep the chopstick there, and close it. Now smooth things out, move on to the next pin. Same process, just push down, make sure it goes through all layers, push up, and close it. Smooth it out, and so on and so forth until you've done your whole quilt.